Angel Kids TV.
Human body parts for kids. Head. The top part of your body that has your brain, eyes, nose, and mouth. Hair. The strands that grow on your head. Eyes. You use them to see. Ears. You use them to hear. Nose. You use it to smell and breathe. Mouth. You use it to eat, talk, and smile. Teeth. Inside your mouth, for chewing food. Tongue. Helps you taste and talk. Neck. Connects your head to your body. Upper body. Shoulders. Where your arms connect to your body. Arms. You use them to reach and carry things. Elbow. The part in the middle of your arm that bends. Hands. At the end of your arms. Fingers. You have 5 on each hand for touching, grabbing, and writing. Chest. The front part of your upper body. Lower body. Tummy or belly. The middle of your body. Hips. The sides of your body, below your waist. Legs. You use them to stand, walk, and run. Knees. The middle part of your legs that bends. Feet. At the bottom of your legs, used for walking. Toes. You have 5 on each foot. Important inside parts. Brain. Helps you think and learn. Heart. Pumps blood and keep you alive. Lungs. Help you breathe. Stomach. Helps digest your food.
And helps me blink. My head is on the top. My eyes can help me see. My eyes can help me see. I look around and all I found. My eyes can help me see. My ears can help me hear. My ears can help me hear. A solemn laugh, a puppy's wolf. My ears can help me hear. Help me smell. My nose can help me smell. A flower sweet or stinky feet. My nose can help me smell. My mouth is fun to use. My mouth is fun to use. I use it when I eat and talk. My mouth is fun to use. My hands can clap and play. My hands can clap and play. They help me draw and wave hello. My hands can clap all day. My feet can help me run. My feet can help me run. They jump and stomp and skip and hop. My feet are so much fun. My body is so cool. My body is so cool.